Do you want to age faster? No. Do you know that what are the 5 everyday habits that is making you age faster? Hi, this is Narendra Kaur, author of the book The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth. Don't go away. And yes, to watch the video, first grab a cup of coffee because it's very important, and black coffee, of course. And it's very important to watch this video. So, what are the 5 everyday habits that make you age faster? So, most people dread aging, so managing these habits will impact your body in a big, long way. Aging is the most dreaded transformation we all have to face at some point in our lives. So that's why we take expensive skincare treatments and beauty products to look younger. The average Americans, for example, American women spend approximately 313 US dollars per month on appearance alone, while the men, on their part, spend approximately 244 US dollars on the same. But more than that, you spend on beauty products. What impacts your body and health on everyday habits? So stay tuned. Number one, the most important habit, what it is going wrong, is you lie down on the side during the sleep. Most adults settle into the bed without giving a much thought to how they are situated. So it is just a routine base that we are lying down on one side or the other side, really bother about that thought that how it will affect our body and how it will affect our face. The sleeping position has one of the strongest effects on your body, especially when done consistently. So sleep wrinkles on the face are formed in response to the distortion created when the face is completely pressed against any sleep surface. So these wrinkles tend to worsen over time due to repetition increasing the speed of aging. Number two, you're not using sunscreen regularly. So sunscreen, being exposed to the ultraviolet rays of the sun, increases the aging rate by 80% of your face. Begin to show intense signs such as wrinkling, such as dryness, such as sagging, such as spotty pigmentation. So this is completely damaging your skin. Sunscreen is very important to be used to save your skin. Using sunscreen does not only protect your skin from getting burned, it also slows the speed of aging. Number three, you are consuming too much of sugar. So you might not know, but sugar can make you age faster. That's why it is advisable to consume it in moderation for optimum health. Of course, you cannot stay away from sugar completely, but if you don't control it, over time, more sugar, then your body produces very specific aging effects, and including wrinkles and sagging on the skin. And especially this effect becomes increasingly, visible from after the age of 35, according to British Journal. Number four, you deprive yourself of quality sleep. So sleep is very, very important for health, to the mind and body. So several studies also emphasizes that just how important sleep is for keeping your body healthy, wealthy, and strong. So, but much more than that, just getting hours of sleep, the quality of sleep is also crucial to a healthier body, because just depriving yourself of quality sleep affects aging. Number five, you are exposed to electronic devices. In this age, Most of our jobs are doing online. Everything is online today. So with handheld devices, mobile phones, laptops, and all social media platforms, and 60% of people spend more than 6 hours per day in front of a digital device. So that blue light is there, and the environment is completely, it's all rays are there. So it's shrinking your cells, and you are aging faster because of that. So always think about these 5 points which is going to age you faster, and how you can give yourself a help. Aging is a completely natural process that comes to us all, of course. It will come, but you can help yourself to delay it by making the following adjustments in your life, and you can get the benefit out of it. So finding the right sleep position, preferably on your back. It will not distort your face. Number 2, regularly making use of sunscreen. Number 3, giving up of sugar for more healthier fruits and foods. Taking sufficient and quality sleep. And the last is minimizing exposure to electronic devices. That's how you can help yourself for a healthy living. Thank you so much. Yes, of course. Grab my book for a self-help, because self-help in today's world is very important. And The Phoenix from Ashes to Rebirth is completely a self-help book. You'll get all the secrets, you'll get all the details like me time, self-care, self-love, plus spirituality, mission, vision, what's your passion. Everything is there in this book. Whole of the life content is there. So it's very important book, and it's very, very, very interesting book. So stay tuned for the next video. Plus, if you are getting the book, you're getting the mug as well, coffee mug, and then you can watch the show and with reading a book and a cup of a coffee. Thank you so much. Stay tuned, and you can DM me for more details for the book, and you can grab it from Amazon as well. It is available on Amazon. It is available on Kindle, everywhere. Thank you so very much. Bye-bye. Take care. Stay tuned till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.